Good morning, it's Tuesday morning, February 4th. I've done my Bible reading, my penmanship, and I did my journaling for yesterday. I usually do that the following morning for the previous day. I did extra workout today. I did a 10-minute pregnancy HIIT workout. I'll open this up so you guys can see the colors. So there I did. It was on YouTube, so it was a video. And, I need to write in my steps for yesterday. I keep getting a lot of questions about these trackers. They weren't initially intended to really be trackers. They're an annual fold out, but I'm using them for my trackers. So my steps for yesterday was 43, 44. And I haven't walked yet, but I already marked that I will because I will. And I have already done my 10-minute pregnancy HIIT training. HIIT is high intensity interval training. I did read a little bit today of just this book here. I actually said I would share that too in another video. It's Wildflower Heart by Grace Green. So I read like a page and a half of that. I also read my Free to Focus personal development book, and I read a couple chapters of First Kings. For the chores, nothing is marked yet for today, but I did go on and add what chores got done over the weekend. And my husband's work tracker, not yet filled in for today because he's not home yet. Okay, now to today. I actually did go back earlier this morning and add the journaling that I mentioned last night, and I added some stickers. These stickers are from, I don't remember where every single individual sticker is from, but I'll show you all of the sticker books that I have. These are the 3 Happy Planner sticker books that I have. The only 3. And I have these 3 sticker books from Walmart. And these are the slim ones. I've seen these same designs that are new at Walmart that are thicker, like double the thickness of these. These are the thinner $2 ones. These are the only other 3 books that I have. And then I recently purchased, I have my market dots in different colors. Those for me are for my monthly calendars, and they're functional. And the only other stickers that I have are these Dollar Tree stickers. And they came 1 sheet for $1. So there's some foiled hearts, some raised treats, some like foiled foods and treats, and these are raised as well a little bit. Some of them are, and these are raised hearts. So these are all the stickers I have. If you see any stickers in my planner, these are where they're from. If you have any specific questions about one of the specific stickers, I don't mind looking through the sticker book and letting you know exactly what book it came from, because I don't have that many to look through. I just don't know them all by heart. So let me set this aside. Okay, so this was yesterday. Now today, I've already been in my planner today doing some things. So I got that information. I read my Bible. I washed our linens. Now they just have to dry. I got that information to follow up from yesterday. I did my exercise. I've been tracking my meals and my blood sugars. So far, so good again. This is still tentative, so I haven't written it in my planner yet because I'm not quite sure. Last time we tried to go to the chess club, my 2-year-old was screaming and having a big fit, and my older boys couldn't even go. We had to leave the library because everyone that was there doing tutoring sessions were looking at us because he was so loud, so I just left. So I checked off Wildflower Heart because I did read today. I finished the intro to the Free to Focus. That was for the week. I still need to go onto the Facebook group and answer the questions. We're reading this as a group. So I'm going to add that to tomorrow's task list. And the group that we're doing that on is, oh my gosh, what's the name of that group? Oh, I have it in my January pages. So this book was supposed to start on the 30th, I think. Start reading Free to Focus by Michael Hyatt, and the group is Plan to Enjoy Life. So I need to go into that group tomorrow to answer the questions. So FB group. Free to Focus questions. Then I'll be done with that task for the week. I did my cursive. I have not copied the Bible yet. I did my walk last night. I did a HIIT workout today. I plan on doing another one Thursday, so let me go ahead and add that in. I have to add things in my planner as I remember it, because if I wait till Wednesday night or Thursday morning, I won't remember that I wanted to do that. So I'm gonna do 10 to 20 minute HIIT workout for that day. Today I did a 10-minute one because I haven't done any intense workouts for quite a while, and being 9 months pregnant, I didn't want to overstress myself the first time. Let's see. Here I wrote in what I already wrote in that I did my 10-minute HIIT, and tomorrow morning I will fill in these categories for my steps like I do every day, which you saw here on Monday. Okay, I added this because I need to do a little bit of grocery shopping. We need some things. I need some things specifically because my husband and kids can eat whatever they want. Me, with the diabetes, I have to be very careful of what I'm eating, when I'm eating, and all of the rest. So I need some more fruits and I need some more veggies. So I tried to find a sticker that said to buy and I couldn't find one, so I'm just going to write it in, even though I don't care for my handwriting. I'm getting the low sodium turkey bacon. I'm getting pistachios, a big 20-pound bag of ice, some hummus, carrots, cucumbers, and spinach. And for right now, that's all I need to do. I do need to take my prenatal, but I take that after lunch with my afternoon snack because it has carbs. So I have to count those carbs with my meal. Did my daily verse, did my journal, did my Bible reading, did my PD, did my cursive. I still need to do my Spanish lesson. I'm going to go take a shower and get ready now. I need to do my walk for the day. Still need to do that. I did that. Gonna go do that. Well, that's for bedtime. Shower again at bedtime. Did trackers. So for now, I'm done with writing my planner. I'm gonna continue getting some things done. And I'll see you guys this evening at showing you what everything that I've gotten done and how my day turned out. Maybe pre-planning a couple of things that come up for tomorrow or for the rest of the week. So I'll see you guys later tonight.